This video is to help you with your Canvas navigation, also a chance for me to show you some of the things that I've been working on for your class. So the first thing you'll notice when you log in is the home screen. Again, a lot of the stuff in Canvas has been given to us by the district, so some of it I've been able to personalize a little bit for you, and some of it I can't change very much. There's an introduction video for me, so take a minute to watch that. Just a little bit about myself and places I've taught and how long I've been teaching. The other thing here is a picture of myself and my Bitmoji. So I use my Bitmoji a lot in the Canvas page to help you with knowing what directions you need to read things that are in my instruction to you, or places to know where to click a button. You'll have these 6 icons or buttons on every Canvas page from all of your teachers. And I'll have the video here where it says Insert Course Navigation Video. The first link is to live lessons, so you can go there to see the link for Zoom classes. Grading information is the same as it's been before. That information is also in our syllabus. The syllabus can be found on the teacher information page, so my contact information, email. I have a Google Voice number set up. You can also use Remind to contact me with questions anytime that we're not working together in a remote setting. The 3 on the right side are from the district. So the first is Canvas Navigation. So they just have some information for you in there about how to work through Canvas, how to find things. If you needed to figure something out, you could go in there and look at the help menu. Support gives you links to things like the technology department, child nutrition. If you needed to have something translated or use a translator to contact a teacher, you can go there to find that in the support. And then digital citizenship will be things that we'll be looking at in the SEL period after first block. How to use the computer and use technology in a way that is responsible and respectful. So there's nothing there yet. If you click on that link, it's a dead link right now. We haven't received that from the district, but everything else will be working and up to date. When we get started with Unit 1, you would click here. So again, see I have my little Bitmoji. So she's going to take her finger, she's going to press enter here. This page will be your doorway into all of the units, all the unit lessons. So when we start with Unit 1, we'll click here on Unit 1. I will be updating dates so you know how to get in, or when, to get into and access a lesson. We have our goals and then a lesson page. I'm going to take you to the lesson page. This I will be updating and changing to better reflect, I think, what I want our class to do and how I want the flow of things to go in the module. So some things we'll do together, like the warm-ups, checking for understanding, different activities in the synchronous time, video lessons and practice assignments will be the things that you'll be completing outside of that synchronous time and working on individually. So again, all of that will be changing and looking a little bit different once I get into some of the courses. For the first 2 or 3 days, as we're just getting to know each other and understanding how the class works, most of what you'll be using can be found on the virtual classroom space. So if you go to the home page and click here for the virtual classroom space, again, my little Bitmoji friend is going to be on this page. And on this Google slide, I have linked in the school page. You can find that by clicking on the picture up here. Tutoring will be on Thursday mornings from 7 to 7:50, but you would click on that picture there. It would take you to the tutoring Zoom conference. Because this is going to be for first and block together in this Canvas page, I'll have to figure out how I want to get your Zoom links on that page. But you would be able to access Zoom and Remind from here. The other thing that you can access on the right hand side, there's a calculator. So if you have a graphing calculator at home and you need to know how to do something, you're not sure about the steps to follow, you can click the calculator. It'll take you to a web page and you can search for whatever you're trying to do and find step-by-step directions. We use Desmos a lot, that online graphing calculator. We're using the graphing calculator and then also doing some of the activities on Desmos. So you could go and access Desmos from here. And then the other piece is Delta Math. So Delta Math is an online practice website. We'll be making accounts, and I can assign you things in Delta Math, but you can again access from this page. So I am constantly changing and adding things to this page. I use the whiteboard. I'll have an agenda here, so probably those first 2 or 3 days where I don't have things set up in Canvas, you'll see an agenda here with links on the board and take you to those assignments. The other thing I want to make sure that you do know is that when you go into live lessons, I have a Zoom link set up for first and third block. Once you click on that link, it will take you to the waiting room. I will let you into the class. And then if you, for some reason, miss a class, or even if you just needed to go back and watch again to try to catch something that I said again, or watch it again for better understanding, I will link in the class recordings here as well. So the best thing that you can do for me is go into the Canvas page, just play around, click on some links, try to find where things take you in the navigation. If something doesn't work, please let me know so I can fix it. Again, there are lots of things that were put in here for me by the district, so I'm still trying to find all of those things and navigate through, and sometimes those links are not working correctly the way I think the district thought they would, so we can certainly get those fixed. I just need you to make me aware of those. If at any time I do or link something in or set something up in a way that just you feel like doesn't make sense to you, or if another teacher is doing something in a way that makes more sense, please let me know. This is not anything that I feel like I'm married to and I'm not going to change. This is your course, and I want it to make sense to you and be as easy to navigate as possible, even though you're not the only one. I do have all of the Math 3 students accessing this course, but any of that feedback is always appreciated.